This press conference is basically to announce that Sanjay Center for Special Education is starting with a B.Ed college in Moscow. This is a special B.Ed in mental retardation and ID, that is intellectual disability. कॉलेजचें नांव जावन आसा ज्ञानवर्धिनी दिव्यांग ट्रेनिंग कॉलेज. This is affiliated to Goa University and under the Directorate of Higher Education. Before I go further, I would like to place on record a sincere gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, who also happens to be the Education Minister. तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की एज्युकेशन पॉलिसी आसतली, न्यू एज्युकेशन पॉलिसी आसतली आनी बाकीच्यो ज्यो सगळ्यो गजाली आसा, एक्ट्स आसतल्यो, रायट ऑफ पर्सन्स विथ डिसेबिलिटी एक्ट, मागीर CWSN म्हणून एक स्कीम आसा गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवाची, चिल्ड्रन विथ स्पेशल नीड्स, एंड ऑल दीज स्कीम्स, ऑल दीज एक्ट्स talk about inclusive education for special children in normal schools as well. But this is on paper. It looks nice to hear all these things. It is easy to read. But on ground, there is a need for special educators if we actually have to implement all these things in real sense. And which is not happening in Goa through regular schools. We have very few resource rooms who are doing a great job. But due to non-availability of trained human resource or trained special educators, we thought of having this course in Goa. We already have D.Ed in mental retardation, which we started 4 years back. We have with us member secretary of Sanjay School, Ayesha Wangankar, and course coordinator of D.Ed mental retardation, Madam Malasha Fernandez. So we already have completed 4 years in D.Ed, and now we are moving on to B.Ed. आणि ही जी भुरगीं आसा, ही नॉर्मल भुरगीं हो कोर्स करता आसता. संजय स्कुलाचें नांव येतूच लोकांक दिसता की फक्त स्पेशल भुरग्यां खातीर हो कोर्स आसता म्हणून. दिस कोर्स इज फॉर नॉर्मल स्टुडंट्स who are graduates or who have done their 12th standard. So those who have done 12 can opt for D.Ed, and those who have completed their graduation can opt for B.Ed course. Now the admissions are online admissions through DHE website, that is Directorate of Higher Education website, for B.Ed. And for D.Ed admissions, students have, those who have completed 12th standard and have minimum 50% marks, can log on to our Sanjay Center website and they can get the admission after clearing the entrance test. सांगपाक खूब खुशी भोगता की आतां पण आमची जी भुरगीं D.Ed करून जी पास आवट जाल्या, 90% हॅव बीन ऑलरेडी बीन एम्प्लॉयड. आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की गव्हर्मेंट जॉब जेन्ना पेपरार येता, मागीर LDCचो आसतलो आनी कितें आसा, हजारांनी लोक एप्लाय करता. पण स्पेशल एड्युकेटराचे जॉब जेन्ना येता, पोजिशन जेन्ना वेकंट जाता, आमी जेन्ना एड दिता, खूब कमी लोकां, कमी भुरगीं एप्लाय करता, कारण तितली मॅन पॉवर अवेलेबल ना. हातून एक उदाहरण जर दिवपाचें जाल्यार आमकां स्पीच थेरपी अपॉयंट करपाक एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटाची परमिशन मेळ्ळी. 4 वर्सां जालीं. NOCs फॉर अरावंड 8 स्पीच थेरपिस्ट. आनी सांगपाक खूब वायट दिसता की एप्लिकंटूच येना, एकूय एप्लिकेशन येना आमकां स्पीच थेरपीचो पोस्ट भरपाक, कारण दॅट कोर्स इज नॉट अवेलेबल. गोवन स्टुडंट्स आर नॉट गेटिंग दॅट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू डू दीस कोर्सेस. बट वेन वी डू D.Ed and we talk about B.Ed, all these things are included in this course. म्हणजे ऑक्युपेशनल थेरपी आसतली, फिजिओथेरपी आसतली, स्पीच थेरपी आसतली. ऑल दोज एलिमेंट्स ऑफ स्पेशल एड्युकेशन आर पार्ट ऑफ ऑल these courses. Both these courses are of a duration of 2 years, and basic advantage of having this course is here, the special school is attached to the college. तसंच प्रॅक्टिकलाक कशें आसता की पयलीं जेन्ना कोर्स आसताले गोंयांत तेन्ना स्पेशल स्कुला कडेन ती भुरगीं वतालीं ट्रेनिंगे खातीर. पण हांगा आमचे स्वताचे स्पेशल स्कूल आसल्या कारणान भुरग्यांक हँड्स ऑन एक्सपिरियन्स मेळटा, प्रॅक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग मेळटा. आनी म्हणूनच हो कोर्स सुरू करपाक आमकां ICAI परमिशन मेळ्ळी. मेन जी बॉडी आसता हे कोर्स जे परमिशन दिता, इट इज रिहेबिलिटेशन कावन्सील ऑफ इंडिया, विच इज इन दिल्ली. They have to give us the permission to start this course, and after that the local bodies come into play. म्हणटकूच ही प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स इतल्या खातीर घेतल्या की लोकां पर्यंत हो विशय पावचो आनी more and more children of those who are graduate students who have completed graduation can apply for these courses. This is the only college which is offering these courses in Goa. No other college, no other institute is offering this kind of education. If anybody, those who have already done it, they have done it through Hyderabad. Like she had done it through an institute from Secunderabad, if I'm not wrong. The students have to travel to Bombay or other places to get this qualification as a special educator. This is a very good opportunity for students from Goa who should avail of this fantastic job opportunity for their future, and at the same time, as she rightly said, give back to the community. ताचे फुडें एक वचून सांगता की as she rightly said, we are trying to self-employ our students through these special educators. It is not only coming and teaching at in the classroom settings. आता आमी सगळे ऐकता की आत्मनिर्भर भारत, all the governments have got their skill development schemes and all those things. Taking this forward, we are trying to provide business opportunity to our students.
This was started in 2014, and out of the 130 students who have passed out, more than 90% have been either self-employed or they're working in special schools or resource rooms or inclusive education. The thing about the DED is it is a grassroots training for the students, and if any child who is, whether it is a graduate, the RCA is asking 12th standard with 50%, but even a graduate can do a DED training because it's a grassroots training, and from there it's like a launch pad that you can get into special education. Once you have got a regular training in DED, because it's a grassroots training, and you have got covering up everything, every discipline actually, whether it is occupational therapy, physiotherapy, speech therapy, dance, music, yoga, everything is covered in a practical manner in the DED. So this is like a launch pad in the profession of special education, and there is no looking back once you have done a DED, because from DED you can do your BEd and so on. Okay, so I would request that if you want to give something to the society, this is the best field. And because we are training them in art and craft, in music, dance, you can be self-employed also. So it's not that only when an ad comes that you have to apply and you will get a job. So you can actually have a lot of homebound programs. You can have your own things sitting at home. Now we are starting with some research where we can teach sitting at home because of the COVID situation. We are trying our level best how to reach out to these children.
This date has been extended for admissions. 14th August is the last date for applying. So I would really request, because now what happens, the information doesn't pass on to the nooks and corners of the state. So all those students should take benefit of this, and they should not feel like it is at a distance as such. That's why we have also working on the hostel facility, where it is just across the road in Bogda. So where they will have this hostel facility, and they can. And one more very important thing is, we are not just doing this BEd for the sake of doing it or producing teachers. These teachers will be, I assure you, will be qualitative teachers. They will be full-fledged. will be just ready and strongly take on with the mission what Sanjay School has, rightly pointed out by ma'am. We will be making them foolproof, sort of, to cater to a special child. These regular teachers will cater to a special child. The special child need to be groomed up in such a way that tomorrow there should not be much helping hands for him. And with doing this, we are also shouldering the responsibility what a state has, because once the child is fully independent, as sir has rightly given the example, is independent, the state, the burden of the state is lowered as regard to disability, as regard to a special child. Because what happens, parents also has all that burden. So what finally the goal is, our teachers will be excellent teachers, which will be coming out for this. We will be supervising this course, and all that benchmark will be laid down and all that. So I would request all those who are interested, as ma'am has already pointed out, this is the only opportunity you get. You earn, and you do your social responsibility also. We always need to give back to the society, because through society we have reached here. So it is the best opportunity we get. Yes.